Did he eat it?
Gosh.
He ate it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Could we give one of
More like
these
solid.
that one?
I didn't think they would eat those.
Hey! Little birdie!
The other one doesn't want any, I don't think.
I think he's resting.
Resting?
Hey, look. I think this feels smaller.
Yeah. Here, let's go give it to someone else. Is he? Is it hot in there?
I want to fix the tractor, Mommy.
You want to fix it?
Yeah. No, I want to fix it. Mommy?
Oh, look, we climb on the other side.
Pour your stuffing before you start.
Here I am on the train, and Noah's gonna take me to my destination, which is what?
California.
California. How do we get to California?
Well, go this way, this is afterwards. And then we stop, and then we have all the forest.
So, are the goats climbing up on the stairs still? There they go.
And why gotta go in there?
No, what's the name of the farm that we're at?
Farmers market.
No, look at mommy. Say Underwood Farms.
Ashland Farm.
Underwood.
Okay, we stop. Have a nice ride. Have a nice trip, Mom.
Okay, thanks.
Have a nice trip. Step out.
Okay, bye-bye. Where did Auntie Sue go? She's looking at the chicken. Okay.
How about I make a funny face on my face, Mommy?
The funny face?
Yeah. Let's go.
Underwood Farms, all aboard! The Underwood Express. Okay.
We could all go, and then if you're good, when we come back, then maybe we'll get you could go on the bouncy.
Rock here, rock there, a couple of boogaloo everywhere. Since roots their song.
feel like it's funny that it's.